Hey guys, hope you're doing awesome. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Daisy. If you're already part of this fam, thank you so much for joining me again today. Today I'll be sharing on how to choose your foundation. I did a video on how to get the perfect foundation. So if you've not yet watched that video, I'll put the link in the description box below, so check it out after watching this video. So the first thing you need to look at when you're choosing a foundation is your skin. We have different skin types. There are those people who have oily skin, there are those who have dry skin, combination skin, or normal skin. There are different foundation formulas in the market that actually cater to all skin types. So always do your research before buying a foundation, and buy a foundation that will only suit your skin. That's the only way you can get the best results when it comes to foundation. There are different types of foundations. There are those that are matte, they mattify your skin. So for those who have really oily skin, you can look into those. Then there are those that are dewy. So for those who have dry skin, you can look for foundations that are dewy. And then there are those that also are being marketed as the makeup that looks like skin. So if you're also into those, you can definitely get that. Just be very careful and consider your skin type when buying your foundation. The second thing that you need to look into is the coverage. Buy a foundation according to the coverage that you want. If you are a full coverage girl, go for that one. If you are a sheer coverage kind of person, then go for those ones. Always buy what you are looking for. Something else you also need to look into when choosing your foundation is how that foundation reacts on your skin, how it sits on your skin. And that's why I always love to tell people to try and get samples if they can, so that you see if it will oxidize, because you might actually buy a foundation, apply it, and then it turns darker after a while. If you really love how the foundation looks on your skin, then it's always good to get maybe a lighter shade, so that when it gets darker, it looks more or less like your skin tone, or it blends with your skin really well. If it settles in your fine lines, then don't get it, because you always have to look into that during the day. If it separates, then maybe it just doesn't work well with your skin. Always look into those things. That's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope that you learned something from this one. Next, I'll be sharing with you guys on how to apply your foundation, so check out for that video. And until the next one, peace, love and makeup.